Gunners, welcome back, man. I see that you guys are loving these driving tutorials, man. I am proud. Guys, I am super proud of all of you, man. I see you guys changing your driving techniques. I've been getting a few videos. I've been getting some awesome feedback, some great comments. And I just want to thank you for believing in me, man. I really, really want to thank you for that, man. Give yourself a like right now. Give yourself a like on the video if you're believing in yourself right now, because there's no difference between you and I. There's no difference between you and another popular driver. So, few things changed on Project Driver. Nothing crazy. We just added the windshield banner. I put the EK side skirts on, and today we are driving to Tri-State. I'm by myself. I'll get to have plenty of room to teach you guys how to power shift. So in this video is how you learn to power shift. You ready to gun? Are you sure? You sure? You sure? All right, let's go. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right. So, all right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. Real quick before I head out. So, added the windshield banner. Everything. I like this theme of like the Illuminati hood, which is red, matches the sticker, and then I've got some gold there on there, and then I put the EK side skirts, so it came out good. I put my NFL sticker in the rear. So if you're looking to support the movement, man, or join the movement, you know, you don't really have to buy anything, but my website is always in the description of every video. But oh yeah, I don't know if I showed you. Yes. Yeah. I got some seats, some GSR 2000 cloths. I forgot that. Now I have some passengers. Maybe we could do some reactions. That's the only part right there. But other than that, I'm pretty much good to go. I'm going to try to get a stock shifter today at Tri-State too. I really want to get a stock shifter. But let me get my cameras right. Let me get all my angles right, and then we'll start filming. Guys, we're in the car. Hold on. We're in the car right now. I have a GoPro by my left foot to try to give you guys a better angle. I think we're going to do a good job on this video. Now, before we get into the power shifting part, I'm going to run into this BP, just top off on some corn, and then we'll hit the highway. But most importantly, we're not starting with 1, 2. We're starting with power shifting 3, 4. It's an easier gear to catch. We're about to learn the 3, 4. Remember your mechanics. Remember where your hand is going to be. But most importantly, remember that this foot is going to move slightly faster than the right hand. You practice the 3, 4 first, not the 1, 2. Here we go. Keep your foot on the gas and switch quick. Remember your mechanics. Positioning, left foot moves before the right hand. Watch that clip a few times. Hand positioning, left foot moves before the right hand. Guys, I went ahead and pulled over on the highway, and I'm going to get into the 1, 2. Now, you should have learned from the 3, 4 that your hand position needs to be the same as when you're flat shifting. That's 1. 2, the left foot is moving first. Now, when we're going into the 1, 2, we're keeping our foot all the way down, obviously. Let me turn this GoPro on so you get that view. All right, GoPro's back on. Now, again, remember your mechanics. You are going to lean towards your knee when you're shifting the 2. So, 1, your gas is all the way down, never lift off of it, right? Now, when you're going into second, remember this left foot is gonna move before the right hand, right? So it's towards here. That's the power shift. Let's turn the car on and take a nice pull. Behind me, boys. Thank God I didn't do the pull. We're gonna come out of this toll booth. We're gonna do a 1, 2, 3. Thank you. I've got more air in the tire, so I'm expecting more spin. I forgot the power shift second. It didn't need it. It didn't need the power shift in second. The car was it was spinning too much. But I like it. So guys, we made it here to Tri-State safe and sound. So remember your hand positioning into this part. It's fairly simple. Just remember you've got to do 3-4 first. Practice the 3-4 first. We'll talk more about it. We're gonna have more fun on the ride home. But I'm here at Tri-State. We're gonna pick up some stuff to help out some gunners. I'm gonna buy a shit ton of AEM stuff, maybe a couple of computers, and then hook up gunners through the pricing on my IG. But let's run inside and say what's up to the guys. My boys stay in stock over here. What's going on?
What's good, bro? What's going on? What's going on, man?
What'd you guys do? What'd you guys do? Oh my God. What's up? Jesus Christ. 60/30s K series. I'll take one for Kobe. And then I'll take 4 more. I'll take 4. Yeah, so here's one here. And then I'll take these 3. That'll be 4 for gunners. Whoa. Leave 4 for gunners. And then what's OBD1 again? 60/40, right?
Yep.
Right, so let's take this 60/40 here. Yeah, man, I don't want to leave people out. I don't know. All right, let's take 2 infinities. You've got the jumper harness for K and B?
Yep.
All right, so just give me 1 of each. So if somebody wants one, I have 1 for K and 1 for B.
Okay.
Break me down, Lionel. What do I got?
All right, cool. So you got here, let's start from the bottom. We got 60/30s, which are
is
the
K-series.
regular K-series ones, which we got a couple. And then you got a 60/40, which is a B-series OBD1. Then you got the 7106s, which is the Infinity 6s with the 2 jump harness, 1 OBD1, and the K-series.
Sweet. So 1's for Kobe, and then I'll give the rest out. So we'll figure it out. All right, so I got to get this in Project Driver. We probably should put it in a box because I don't want damage. Nah, there's a lot of money right here. All right, charge me. Value of this car just went up. Value of this car just went up, Bobby. It's worth a lot of money. Alright. We're gonna get back in. We're gonna get back in the car and mount that camera back onto the window, and then more shifting, more driving, more teaching. Coming into a toll booth now, I'll be able to power shift 1 through 4. So hopefully I remember this time to actually power shift second. I'll have the GoPro activated too, well, recording. I don't know why I said activated, but just remember your mechanics, remember your posture, remember all that stuff. Gunners, before I get out of this car, the next clip is really important, so really pay attention to it. Just wait for it. Before I get out of this car, remember, you've seen it with the GoPro against the feet. You've seen the hands. We've instilled our hand positioning. We've instilled our seat positioning, and we listened. So everything is coming out great, man. I'm super proud of you guys. Please do it safely. Have fun. Teach others, man. It's really important that you teach others. So let me unstrap these cameras, get inside, and I got a real important message for you guys. Be right back. Okay, Gunners, really important. I risk my freedom. I risk my driver's license. I risk my car. I risk my life to bring you these kind of videos. So if you guys want to tip me, if you want to send me a donation to my Cash App, it's $ GhostBoyAki. I'll leave it in the description. If you want to send me something, I'd like to start upgrading Project Driver. Maybe get a manifold. Maybe get a throttle body. I've built that car for you. If you want to send $1, 50 cents, $5, $10, whatever it is that you want to send, man, I'd appreciate it. Again, there's not a lot of people in this YouTube world, and there's a lot of YouTubers that are going to teach you what I'm teaching you. I've taught you how to build cars properly. I'm teaching you how to drive. I'm teaching you a whole bunch of things. So I hope you collected a lot of good information from this power shifting video. Take your time, man. Find an open back road. Just study. Be by yourself, man. Don't impress anyone until you've impressed yourself. So once you impress yourself, you can start putting people in your car and showing them how well you drive. So again, if you want to donate, man, it's $ GhostBoyAki. I'll leave it in the description. I don't care what you guys send, man. I just want to put that money back into Project Driver. I love you guys. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel, man. We're going to teach you a whole bunch. And NFL, man, it's a gunner world. Everybody else just lives in it. And I'll catch you guys next time, man. Let me know how I did in the comments, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Keep gunning. So while I'm sitting in traffic, I'm going to play this clip. I just raced a 370Z. Cool dude, too. Showed me mad love after the pass. But we got to boogie a little bit. You see the footwork, a little something. And, yeah. This car's a killer, man. Enjoy this clip.